Hey people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you how to turn on 5G on Samsung Galaxy A17. First, go to the Settings app. The Settings menu allows you to manage all your phone's features and system options. Next, scroll down and tap on the Connections menu. This section includes all network-related settings such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks, and more. Now, tap on Mobile Networks. Inside this menu, you'll see different options related to your SIM card and network preferences. After that, select Network Mode. Here you will see several options like 2G only, 3G Auto, LTE 2G Auto, LTE 2G Auto. To turn on 5G, simply choose 5G, LTE Sharkies 3G, 2G, Auto, or the option that says 5G Preferred. Once selected, your phone will automatically connect to a 5G network whenever it is available in your area. Make sure your SIM card supports 5G and that you are in a 5G coverage area. Also check that your mobile data plan includes 5G access. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials.